Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I'm so excited today because I'm going to share with you a new mini album in a folio style. It measures 21 by 21 centimeters and I have to admit that it's the second time in my life I make a folio mini album. I am always afraid of how much bulky the folio will be, but I really loved how it turned out. For this project, I used 3 paper pads 8 by 8 inches. The new paper collection, Lady Vagabond by Stamperia, is just amazing. I love the vintage style of it and all the beautiful backgrounds. As you can realize by yourself, the folio has big rooms for pictures, but also you can put your notes for journaling as well. On the second section, I made a simple waterfall and down there a pocket with 3 tags from the collection. Here is just a quick flip through from the paper pad Lady Vagabond. To build the base of the folio, I am using 2 A4 sheets of black cardstock. I stick the 2 papers together with a 9mm double-sided tape, but you can use a black cardstock 21 by 52.5 cm. I make some marks with my pencil and I simply score where I made the marks. I burnish well with my bone folder on all these scored lines. For all the scrapbook papers I used to decorate the folio, I used my distress ink to ink the edges all around. Of course, you can find all the links of the products I used down below linked in the description area. Now I am going to decorate the outside of the folio. Here I am going to use 2 pairs of hasp hook locks, and I am using 2 binder clips to keep my closure straight. I am using my pencil to mark into the holes, and with an awl I do make the holes. For the flaps number 1 and 2, I need 2 pieces of black cardstock 20.5 by 20 cm and score both of them on the long side at 1.5 and 2.5. For the flap number 3, I need a piece 20.5 by 15 cm and score it on the 15 side at 1.5 and 2. To build my waterfall, I need 6 pieces 17 by 13.5 cm and score all of them on the short side at 1.5. In this waterfall we can easily stick our photos 10 by 15 cm with a nice border all around. I prefer to stick the flaps of my waterfall upside down. I mean to turn the paper upside down because this is more easy for me, but of course you can stick them straight. I do cut a piece of cardstock 16 by 9 cm and I go for a big tag, so I cut it in this way to look like a tag. Here I go for a belly band and I put glue on the top and the bottom of the paper. I make some marks on where I want to cut my paper. And when I cut the strips, I do write on the back of them numbers just to know which strip goes where. That was the tutorial for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!